Привет! Это Natasha. Welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. In this video, we will have a look at Russian possessive pronouns, their pronunciation and usage. And before we start, I invite you to watch my previous lessons if you haven't watched them yet. We have already looked at reading rules, some easy phrases, what a noun and a personal pronoun are, etc. A possessive pronoun is used to express ownership and possession, while the personal pronoun in the nominative is used to ask the question кто, что. The questions to a possessive pronoun are чей, чья, чье, чьи, which is translated as whose in English. We choose the question according to the gender and number of a noun. For example, ручка is feminine in Russian. That is why we ask чья это ручка. Карандаш is masculine. We ask чей это карандаш. Письмо is neuter. We ask чье это письмо. The word друзья is in plural. We ask чьи это друзья. Now, when we know how to ask a question, we need to know how to answer. Let's look at Russian possessive pronouns. Мой, моя, моё, мои. Твой, твоя, твоё, твои. Его, её. Наш, наша, наше, наши. Ваш, ваша, ваше, ваши. Их. As you can see, we have lines where there is no change according to gender and number. Let's practice possessive pronouns together with the topic family. First, let's look at the list of words. Семья. Папа, отец, мама, мать, муж, жена, родители, сын, дочь, дочка, дети, дедушка, бабушка. Pay attention to the stress. A lot of foreigners make mistakes here. Внук, внучка, внуки, брат, сестра, дядя, тетя. In Russian, we don't have a word for grandparents. We say бабушка и дедушка. Also, as for cousins, we have words such as кузина for a woman and кузен for a man, but it's more likely that we will meet these words in literature than in real life. In real life, we call a female cousin as двоюродная сестра and male cousin as двоюродный брат. You can notice that these phrases are too long, so we just call them сестра and брат. It means that if I say to you that I have a sister, I can speak about either my sister or my cousin. Pay attention. Words папа, дедушка, дядя are grammatically feminine words, as they end with a vowel. We use masculine pronouns when we talk about them. мой папа, мой дедушка, мой дядя. Let's describe the family portrait. Let's imagine I'm this girl. I will describe this photo the following way. Это моя семья. Это моя мама. Это мой папа. Это мой брат. Let's describe the family of this woman. Это ее семья. Это ее муж. Это ее дети. Это ее дочка, а это ее сын. Or let's describe the family of this boy. Это его семья. Это его родители. Это его сестра. Now it's your turn to practice. Hit the pause button, do the exercise. The answers will be in the info box. Good luck! Удачи! In this lesson, we took a look at the Russian possessive pronouns, their pronunciation and usage, and now you know words about the topic family. If you want to practice new words, you can write your sentences in the comments. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please support me with your likes. And if you want to see more lessons from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Увидимся. Пока-пока.